YouTube. What up, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. We are back with another unboxing. Listen, in this video I did like a major transformation. Like, this man had to be growing his dreads for like 15 years, you know what I'm saying? But we got a package in the mail from Stylecraft. We got a new drop happening in July. Take a minute to screenshot that. Rip out of there. All right, here's the package. Here's the package right here. The Stylecraft Super Set. All right, it comes with the Rebel Clipper and the Flex Trimmer at the same time. Let's open it up and see what it comes with. All right. Boom. All right. Boom, it comes in a set like that. You got your Rebel Clipper right here, your Flex Trimmer upside down. I don't know why it's upside down, but hey, it is what it is. All right, you got your Rebel Clipper right here with the gold blade. With the gold blade, looks good. Flex Trimmer with the gold blade. Nice and quiet. But yeah, man, this comes in a set and will be out in July. Comes with the regular accessories, you know what I'm saying? You got the guards, you got the charger, you got your oils, all of that good stuff. But like I said, in this video, I did a major transformation. He showed me a picture of what he wanted, and I think I delivered, you know what I'm saying? You let me know in the comment section below. If you don't know, I'm gonna show you how. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned.
360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360, 360,
Where you get your beats?
They not like. They not like. They not.
All right, so my client wanted basically afro flared out top, taper on the sides. So right now I'm going to the highest point of his dreads and I'm cutting it off. He also wanted to save his dreads, so I'll be putting those to the side, but I don't know why I'm cutting it one by one. As I get into it, I'm gonna lift up multiple dreads and cut them off. So I guess that was just me setting in a guideline first, so I know how much to cut off with the other ones. Now I'm gonna grab my pick everything out, stretch it out. That way everything is nice and neat.
They not like. They not like.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna build the shape that my client wants, which is that flared out look. So I got my Andis Masters with the lever fully closed, and I'm just going up, flaring it out, building that shape. Now I'm gonna set in my bald line using my Babyliss Pro Lithium FX trimmers, and I'm gonna set it in a slight rainbow-like shape.
They not like
So I'm gonna set my next guideline above that with my lever open. All right, I'm going right above that guideline and just setting it in that same shape. Same thing I did with the lever open, I do with the one guard with the lever open. I go right on top of that guideline in that same shape, just kind of clearing that bulk, making sure that it blends into the afro up top. So I'm not gonna go up any higher than that one guard. I'm gonna go right back down, putting on my zero guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line that I created. Now keep in mind, I'm using my corners the entire time. Now, with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember that I'm using my corners the entire time, adjusting my lever as I go higher.
They not like They not like They not like They not like
So last but not least, what you want to do is detail your work. All right, detailing is extremely important. This separates you from just being an average barber. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows me a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. All right, also if you don't have access to a mirror, step away from the blend for a minute, look away, come back to the blend and start detailing. What I like to do is I like to turn my clipper sideways and get in those areas where I see bulk. So I'm gonna take down this area behind my client's ear. So right now I'm just combing it down. That way I could take it down to a 1.5 to get the lineup crispier around his ear. I'm also gonna be reshaping it into the top. That way it could all flow together.
They not like They not like They not like
Now as far as the back goes, I use the same exact step. I'm gonna set in my bald line, then the lever open, then the one guard open. Then I'm gonna turn that clipper over with the one guard open and go with the grain. That way I can smooth out the bulk at the top. After I do that, I'm gonna work on taking out that middle line with the lever closed, putting on the zero guard with the lever closed, knocking out that middle line. And lastly, taking out that bottom line with the lever fully closed. Next, using my curved shears, I'm gonna clean up the top, making sure that I get everything nice and neat. Not gonna take off too much because I still wanna keep as much length as possible. So I'm gonna fade his beard with the same exact steps. The only difference is I'm going downward instead of going up.
They not like 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 like, they not 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 like.
Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like
They not like, they not
you
like,
too. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy.